thought I saw you the first time. It was your first day you came here.
Oh yeah, yes.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day.
See what's going on. Winfield Solution LLC. So here we have 9 pallets taken off the truck. RL Express. Hey, how you doing, boss? I think I have 9 pallets for you guys. 9. Seems as if business is going pretty good for you guys. So, all 9, man. You guys are always busy though, always. And you guys are expanding too, I heard. Yeah.
That's any damage, believe it or not. Wow.
Wow.
That's
Alright, you're gonna get these things loaded, unloaded. Huh? Oh, he's doing a surgery. Yeah, I think his back or something. Either his back or his leg.
do me a favor, brother. Can you put that over there?
Okay, go. He's doing a surgery. So he's gonna be out for a while.
At least 6 months, huh?
Yeah. He's gonna be out for quite a while. Yeah. That's why we gotta spend time on our health, man.
I got you.
Yeah, we gotta try to spend time on our health. Yeah. Because if we lose it, we can't do anything.
The same age as I am. I'm 58, he's 58 too.
Yeah, well.
Some people take care of themselves.
Well, yeah, you take care of yourself. But your health is your wealth, man. If you're not healthy.
How old are you? 28?
26.
26.
Yeah.
You're doing good, man. That's good. Started off young.
Yeah, I'm just trying, man. I'm trying.
Good, bud.
Thanks, though. I'm trying. And get something out of life. Yeah. Alright, we're getting unloaded right here. 5 minutes.
How long you been working with these guys?
7 months. Yeah.
I thought I saw you the first time. It was your first day you came here.
Oh yeah, yes. Yeah. They have been doing some pickups. I'm gonna pick up some tires.
Oh, really?
Yeah, every day the tires, I'm gonna pick up like the full trailer.
Full trailer?
Yeah, you gotta move
all
them.
the motherfuckers in there?
Yeah, I gotta move it because they don't have a dock either. So you probably gotta put them on there, on the back there, and I gotta pull them up there. They're like 3,000, 3,500 pounds. The big ones for the tractors, yeah.
Man.
Yeah, they're heavy, man. But somebody gotta do it, right? Nah. Yeah, you have one more pallet remaining. This is what it's like. Pallet remaining. Only one remain. After this, we have 2 stops. All right. Come on. Huh? Okay. I just wanted to close the door,
Oh,
but it's good. I'll just pull out and
yeah.
close it up.
Hold on. You close it now?
Yeah. Seems good.
All right, buddy.
I think you gotta sign this little thing.
I got it.
I think this one on there.
Okay. Fine.
You working on Saturdays too?
No.
Oh.
I work 10 hours a day. Dude,
10?
so
Wow.
50 hours a week.
Whoa.
Thank you, my friend.
Straight on the body, man.
Be safe.
All right, man. Take care, man.
You too, man.
All right,
It's good
cool.
seeing you.
Yeah, man. It's good seeing you too, man.
I knew I'd see you. I'd see you again.
Yeah.
All right, buddy.
All right, boss. Good. I remember when I just came to this place the first time, I was like, where should I go? Who should I speak with? Didn't have a clue what to do. But after doing the stops over and over again repeatedly, you get used to it. You know exactly what to do, where to go, and all that stuff. So you good new guys, don't feel discouraged. At first, it's gonna be a little hectic, but over time, you'll get it. It's just a repetition, that's all it is. Repetition, doing the same thing over and over again. All right, let's see what our next stop's gonna be like.